Y'all are either gonna love or hate this idea, but this is my Eclipse. And I was scrolling through Instagram a couple months ago and I seen this little advertisement for an ABS front lip. So what did I do? I bought it. Yeah, but first we're gonna do a cold start for y'all before we bring it in the garage. Ain't no shot I'm getting that lip on without these bad boys. Yep, and we're ready. Yeah. I don't know how that's gonna work with a lip on it because I already have to have the bumper slightly flexing just to get these on. I'm gonna have to do some of that static boy stuff and put some blocks underneath just to get an inch off the ground. Alright, let's go get that lip. Welcome to the once was man cave and now I've just, you know, part storage. 285 Performance, they are one of the only places that I could find in Canada that has these lips. So shout out to K&N, and this is my jank Jimmy rigged intake if you want to check out that video. I may got an Eclipse, but I can be a redneck if you want me to. Luckily, we did get some proper hardware, which is going to be essential, just in case, you know, wind in Alberta decides to just rip it off because it can. This is going to be something extremely tedious, so I'm just going to try to install all this stuff and then show you guys the process of it very shortly. Right, I think I got it as center as I possibly can. Now we're gonna try to screw the side pieces on and hopefully it ends up looking all right. Oh. All right, so here is the finished product. To be quite honest, I didn't think it was gonna look that aggressive. I like it a lot, but I highly recommend you get yourself quite a lot of self-tap bolts. And if you're like me, you're paranoid about stuff like this flying off in the winds, get yourself some bolts and nuts, get underneath and tighten it down so that way it is not going anywhere unless the wind unscrews the nut from the bolt itself and then proceeds to make it fly away. But if you guys have an Eclipse and you want to get this kit right now, it is on sale for Boxing Day on 285 Motorsports, which I will link in the description. Didn't expect it was going to look that good, but here we are. I want to thank you guys so much for watching. If you want to see more reviews coming up, we got a GTP wing, which I'm super excited about. When it's going to show up, no idea, but we got to go to Global Auto Body Shop. If you guys are working on a project car and you need a spray can with the exact color, not just some Canadian tire, looks like my color, you can go there, give them your paint code, and they will pre-mix the exact color. I'm going to put that link in the description as well. They are all over Canada, Alberta, etc. But I guess for now, thanks for watching, and I guess we'll see what happens next.